All-new Airstream World Traveler 22 RB, complete walkthrough tour. Imagine cruising through the city with a polished aluminum icon rolling silently behind you. Not a bulky motorhome, not a converted van, but a legendary Airstream travel trailer, towed effortlessly by a powerful SUV. This is the all-new Airstream World Traveler 22 RB, a luxury touring trailer designed for people who want freedom without compromise. Today, we're taking you on a complete walkthrough tour, from its unmistakable exterior to its hotel-grade interior, real-world towing experience, and smart features that make this one of the most refined travel trailers on the road. If you love premium RVs, minimalist luxury, and true road trip freedom, this video is for you. Exterior design and road presence. The first thing you notice is that iconic Airstream silhouette. That handcrafted aircraft-inspired aluminum shell instantly separates it from every box-shaped trailer on the road. The aerodynamic rounded body isn't just for looks. It significantly reduces drag, making towing smoother, quieter, and more fuel-efficient, especially on highways. Paired here with a full-size SUV, the setup looks balanced, premium, and incredibly road-ready. The polished aluminum reflects its surroundings, turning heads whether you're parked downtown or pulled over at a scenic overlook. High-quality riveted panels, sealed windows, LED marker lights, and a reinforced hitch system give this trailer a solid, confidence-inspiring presence, built to handle long journeys, not just weekend getaways. Interior and living space. Step inside the World Traveler 22 RB and the vibe changes instantly. This isn't an RV interior. It feels more like a boutique hotel suite on wheels. Airstream's World Traveler package brings warm wood tones, clean lines, and a calm, modern aesthetic that feels both cozy and premium. The lounge area is smartly laid out, offering comfortable seating with large panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. Because the trailer isn't driving itself, every inch inside is optimized purely for living comfort. Soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and high-quality materials create an atmosphere that feels relaxing after a long drive. Whether you're parked in the city or deep into nature, this interior makes you want to stay longer. Kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. The kitchen is compact but extremely well thought out. You get a modern cooktop, convection microwave, deep stainless steel sink, and generous storage, all designed for real cooking, not just reheating meals. Everything is positioned for efficiency, so you're never fighting for counter space. At the rear, the 22 RB layout truly shines. The bedroom area offers a comfortable sleeping setup with premium bedding, overhead storage, and a calm, private feel that's rare in trailers this size. And then there's the bathroom, a real highlight. This isn't a wet bath compromise. You get a proper dry bathroom, elegant fixtures, quality ventilation, and a layout that actually feels usable. It's clean, modern, and surprisingly spacious for a towable trailer. Technology and smart features. Airstream integrates technology in a clean, practical way. You get smart power management, modern climate controls, efficient insulation, and intuitive lighting systems. USB ports, well-placed outlets, and thoughtful storage solutions make this trailer fully compatible with modern digital lifestyles. It's tech that supports travel, not tech that overwhelms you. Pros and cons. Pros: iconic Airstream design, excellent towing stability, premium interior quality, efficient use of space, strong resale value. Cons: premium price point, limited space compared to large motorhomes, requires a capable tow vehicle. The Airstream World Traveler 22 RB isn't about excess. It's about refined travel, intelligent design, and the freedom to explore without sacrificing comfort. If you want a travel trailer that looks legendary, tows confidently, and feels luxurious inside, this is one of the best options available today. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Would you choose a towable Airstream over a full motorhome? See you on the next journey.